Hello, my name is Mrs. English. Welcome to today's lesson. Today, we will practice 200 sentences together. Listen carefully and repeat after me. You can pause the video anytime you need. Take your time and practice as many times as you want. Are you ready? Let's begin. I add 2 and 3. 2 plus 3 equals 5. She adds numbers every day. We learn to add today. He adds 1 and 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Do you like adding numbers? I add numbers at school. They add 4 and 5. 4 plus 5 equals 9. She adds 3 numbers together. I add 6 and 2. 6 plus 2 equals 8. We add numbers in math. He adds 7 and 3. 7 plus 3 equals 10. Do you add numbers daily? I can add small numbers. They add 10 and 5. 10 plus 5 equals 15. She adds money at work. I add the prices together. He adds 8 and 7. 8 plus 7 equals 15. We add numbers on paper. I use my fingers sometimes. Do you count your fingers? She adds 9 and 1. 9 plus 1 equals 10. They practice adding every morning. I add numbers in my head. He adds 12 and 3. 12 plus 3 equals 15. We add numbers at the store. She adds the total cost. I add 5 and 5. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Do you need a calculator? He does not like adding. They add 20 and 10. 20 plus 10 equals 30. I add numbers on my phone. She adds quickly and correctly. We add all the numbers. He adds 15 and 5. 15 plus 5 equals 20. I check my answer carefully. Do you know the answer? She writes the answer down. They add numbers for homework. I need to add these bills together. She adds the cost of food daily. We practice addition every single day now. He adds numbers when he goes shopping. They add all their money each month. I add 3 apples and 2 apples. 3 apples plus 2 apples equals 5. She adds the price of the bread. Do you add numbers at your job? We add numbers to find the total. He adds 30 and 20 right now. 30 plus 20 equals 50 in total. I am adding numbers on this paper. They are learning to add bigger numbers. She adds 14 and 6 very quickly. 14 plus 6 equals 20 for sure. We do not make mistakes when adding. I add numbers slowly and carefully today. He adds the cost of all items. Do you want to practice adding now? They add numbers in their math class. I added 5 and 10 this morning. 5 plus 10 equaled 15 this morning. She added all the numbers yesterday afternoon. We will add more numbers tomorrow morning. He is going to add these soon. They will practice addition next week together. I add numbers to help my children. She adds 17 and 3 on paper. 17 plus 3 equals 20 right now. We add the cost of our groceries. He adds gas money and food money. Do you add your monthly expenses regularly? I need to add all these amounts. They add their work hours each week. She does not forget to add everything. I add 25 and 15 every time. 25 plus 15 equals 40 always. We are adding numbers together right now. He will add the final total tomorrow. They added their scores after the game. I can add 2-digit numbers very well. She adds 40 and 30 without problems. 40 plus 30 equals 70 for sure. We practice addition with our teacher daily. He adds numbers to check his work. Do you add numbers in your head? I write down numbers before I add. They add the numbers from left side. She is going to add these tomorrow. I added all my shopping costs last night. We add numbers when we cook our meals. He adds the ingredients in his special recipe. They will add more items to their list. She adds 50 and 25 very fast now. 50 plus 25 equals 75 in total here. Do you understand how to add these numbers? I do not understand this problem at all. We need to add all the costs together. He is adding the numbers on his calculator. They added their test scores from last week. I will add the money in my wallet. She adds 150 every day. 100 plus 50 equals 150. We are learning to add larger numbers now. He does not like to add big numbers. They practice addition problems at home every night. I add the hours I work each week. She added 60 and 40 in her notebook. 60 plus 40 equals 100 exactly right. We will add these numbers after lunch today. He is going to add the total soon. Do you need help adding these numbers together? I can help you add all of them. They add numbers for their small business daily. She adds the money from sales each day. We added our savings together last month completely. He will add more money to his account. I am adding the cost of the tickets. They add 80 and 20 on the board. 80 plus 20 equals 100 for sure. She does not make errors when she adds. We check our addition work 2 times always. He added the numbers and got the answer. Do you know how to add 3 numbers? I add 10, 20, and 30 together now. 10 plus 20 plus 30 equals 60 total. They are adding all the prices from the menu. She will add the tax to the total price. We need to add the tip as well. He is going to add everything very carefully. I added the numbers but got it wrong. They will try to add the numbers again. She adds 100 and 100 easily now. 100 plus 100 equals 200 total. We practice our addition skills every single morning. He does not need a calculator for this. Do you prefer to add with or without help? I will add these numbers one more time. They added all the scores from the game yesterday. She is adding the cost of her monthly bills. We add our income and subtract our expenses monthly. He will add the numbers and tell us tomorrow. I can add numbers up to 1,000 now. They are going to practice addition tonight at home. She added 90 and 10 on her phone calculator. 90 plus 10 equals 100 exactly right here. We do not rush when we add numbers together. He takes his time to add everything correctly always. Do you make mistakes when you add large numbers? I sometimes make small mistakes, but I check carefully. They will add more practice problems to their homework. She is adding 3 different numbers together right now. We learn to add numbers in elementary school years. He adds numbers every day at his office job. I will add the total and show you later. They added the price of the house and car. She does not like to add numbers without paper. We are going to add all these items tomorrow. He added 75 and 25 on the paper yesterday. 75 plus 25 equals 100 total amount exactly. Do you teach your children to add numbers well? I teach my students to add every single day carefully. They will learn to add bigger numbers next year. She is very good at adding numbers in her head. We add the numbers and write the answer down carefully. He will add more examples to help us understand better. I added the cost of the food and drinks together. They are adding up all their expenses from this month. She added 150 and 50 on the calculator. 150 plus 50 equals 200 total here now. We will practice addition problems together tomorrow morning at school. He does not forget to add the extra costs always. Do you remember how to add these kinds of numbers? I remember everything my teacher taught me about adding numbers. They will add the final numbers after the meeting ends. She is going to add the results from all tests. We added the money from all the different bank accounts. He adds numbers to make sure everything is correct always. I will add the numbers one final time tonight carefully. They do not need help with addition problems anymore at all. She added 200 and 300 on the computer today. 200 plus 300 equals 500 total right now. We are very happy when we add numbers correctly always. He will become better at adding with more daily practice. Do you want to practice adding numbers with me right now? I think adding numbers is very useful in our everyday life. They use addition skills when they go shopping for food items. She will add more numbers to the final report tomorrow morning. We finished adding all the numbers and got the right answer. Great job, you finished today's lesson. You practiced 200 sentences. I am very proud of you. Please write your favorite sentence in the comments below. I want to read them. Subscribe to this channel for more English lessons every day. See you in the next video. Keep practicing. You are doing great. Goodbye.